Hi everyone! In this course, I will show you how to create your own environments based on your ideas, and I will show you some techniques to mix softwares like Photoshop and Blender to complete your environments. So, the first thing we're gonna talk here in this first lesson is what is a good idea for an environment? What kind of key features we have to keep in mind when you are just starting to work? And we're gonna talk a bit of composition and the way how every composition, every kind of composition work to our environment. So this is basically the final result. This is something close to the final result we're gonna get in this course. And if you see here, we have buildings. So we are gonna create something like a city. It's gonna be something like a city landscape. And the most important here is just to create a solid composition between nature, because we have here mountains and buildings, and the important thing here is to create a solid combination between those buildings and the environment. So we have to take care about some things according to composition, because we need to create this continuity between the buildings. So for example, here we have here something like a main building. This we can say that probably is the main building on the composition, probably this one as well, but this is just on the top of this mountain, so we're just seeing the top of the building. But here we have this building, and we are seeing a lot of information about the building, so we can say that this could be the main building. So the main building should be always in a specific position in our composition. This is not this is something not mandatory, but sometimes it's gonna be really well to select to choose a good position for our main building, because at the end, when you show your concept, your environment, it's gonna be more easy to see, and it's gonna be more it's gonna be nice to the storytelling of your building, just to show what kind of building is gonna be the most important. So here we have something like a landscape. We have here the horizon line, and if you try to split your screen like in 3 parts, something like this, we have like 3 blocks, 1, 2, and 3. The main building in our composition is just in the center. So so every time when you see the composition, every time when you see the concept, your eye is gonna go directly to the center, because everything is like just going in this position. Even the line of the mountains here are creating this kind of lines, just to focus our eye on this part, on this point, that it's gonna be where we will found our main building. So this is something simple, but really useful to start to place everything to start to put everything in the right place. So now, just to follow our rule, a composition rule to our composition, I can say, or we can talk about something similar than we made. So just split your screen on 3 parts, 3 blocks with these vertical lines, and at the same time just divide your screen again with 2 horizontal lines. This is the rule of the thirds, and it's like to divide our composition, our canvas, in 9 equal squares. So with this, we have more easy the task to put everything in the good place. So as I said, we have here our main building that is exactly in the middle of our screen, in the center of our screen, and in these crossing lines here, where all the lines are creating these points, we should place some important things in our composition. So here in this column we have this mountain,